Welcome to Trogir, a city that combines centuries of history with modern charm. Today, we're exploring a remarkable new addition to the city, the brand new pedestrian bridge. For decades, the original bridge served as a vital connection, but its age and inability to handle the growing needs of the town made it clear. Trogir needed a modern upgrade. The new bridge, officially opened to the public in December 2024, is a stunning architectural feat. Spanning 25 meters over the Foša channel, this steel structure is 30 meters long, 10.4 meters wide, and weighs approximately 65 tons. The project was an investment by the City of Trogir, totaling around 1 million euros. In 2021, a public contest was held to select the best design for the new bridge. Several renowned Croatian architectural firms participated, each presenting their vision for Trogir's future landmark. In the end, Prostorne Taktike emerged as the winner, earning a prize of around 5,000 euros. Here's some of the other designs that were submitted to the contest. Which design would you have picked as the winner? Let us know in the comments below. Now that the bridge is complete, it has transformed life in Trogir. For locals, it alleviates congestion around the market area and provides easier access to the old town and nearby parking areas. For tourists, it offers a convenient and scenic route to explore this charming town. The bridge is not only practical, but also beautiful, especially at night, when integrated lighting enhances its sleek design, creating a magical atmosphere over the water. Winter visitors will find even more to enjoy near the bridge. The area comes alive during Advent, with festive decorations, a cozy market, and a little Luna Park right next to the bridge, making it a delightful spot for families and friends to gather. Be sure to visit it on your next trip to Croatia.